Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create GoDaddy account. So if you also want to create GoDaddy account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome or any other browser of your choice. Here I am opening Google Chrome. You can see over here Google Chrome is open. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do is tap on the search bar. Now type in www.godaddy.com. Now tap on the enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of GoDaddy. Here you'll be able to see several options. At top right corner you'll be able to see the icons like help, profile icon and cart. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see right next to the cart icon. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you already have an account, you can tap on the sign in option that you can see right over here. But if you want to create an account, all you have to do is tap on the option create an account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you have three options. You can either continue with Facebook, or you can also continue with Google, or you can also continue with email. Tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm going to tap on continue with Google. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. By continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preference and profile picture with GoDaddy login. See GoDaddy login's privacy policy and terms of service. Read the privacy policy and terms of service. After that, all you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your GoDaddy account has been created. You can go ahead and set up your account. So that is how you create GoDaddy account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.